Hi guys, it's Manisha. I'm an ABA therapist for BDES, and today I'm going to talk to you about washing hands. Hand washing is an important daily hygiene routine that helps prevent the spread of germs. That means it helps stop people from getting sick. Hand washing is important to complete any time, but especially after you use the bathroom, after you sneeze, cough, or blow your nose, and any time before you eat. If you practice hand washing multiple times a day, then you can develop good and healthy habits. To complete hand washing, we're going to follow the sequences of the pictures shown here. And don't forget, if you have sleeves, roll them up. First, turn on the water. Next, wet your hands. Next, get soap. Now you're ready to rub your hands. Make sure that you scrub all sides of your fingers and hands. And do this for at least 20 seconds. You could sing the ABCs, Happy Birthday, or listen to Elmo. Next, you're going to rinse your hands. Make sure you get all the soap off. Then, turn off the water. The last step is to dry your hands. Pick up the towel, dry one hand, both sides, switch, and dry the other hand, both sides. Great job! Now your hands are clean. Thanks for watching.